I start by saying I'm by far not an expert on chainsaws. I do use quite a bit, especially, we just had these storms here recently, so I got quite a bit of trees to cut up, quite a few trees to cut up. This Homelight's always been kind of my go-to saw. I bought it about 14 or 15 years ago. It was on sale at Home Depot for $50 or $60, I don't remember. It's always been a pretty good saw. It always starts, but it's getting to where it don't want to run right here lately, and there's no adjustments on the carburetor. I don't know. But anyways, the thing's been giving me a little bit of trouble here lately. I got an old Sachs Dolmar 119. This is an awesome saw, but the only problem is once it gets hot, it quits running. I might get 4 or 5 cuts on about an 18-inch tree, and that's it. It's done. You gotta let it cool off before it'll start again. To buy the modern day equivalent of this saw, it would be $630, 61cc Dolmar. Anyways, I've done a lot of research and I ended up selling for an Echo. It's an Echo CS490. This saw at Home Depot is $349, $348, somewhere in there. I actually bought this one off eBay for $300, shipping included. I got it through a pawn shop who had it advertised on eBay, and when they mailed it to me, they also sent me the original Home Depot receipt from the person who had bought it. So that saved me about $70 right there. That I paid $300, and I didn't have to pay any taxes on it. So that $350 plus taxes would have been about $75 more I would have paid for this saw. I've never been a fan of steel. I really hate the twist lock caps that steel has on the saws, and I've looked at Husqvarna, and I did a lot of research, and I finally settled on this because of the price. Now, I know Echo is supposed to have a pretty good quality, pretty good product. Also, something else I thought was cool. The engine case is magnesium. Well, this part of it, and you got the other half that's plastic. But most of the saws in this price range are all 100% plastic. Now, this saw is a 50cc. I know a 20-inch bar is probably pushing it for a 50cc saw, but honestly, I don't use a chainsaw every day, so I'm hoping this will fit my needs. And also, it has a 5-year warranty. So I just mixed up some fresh gas, and I got my drop my gas. Got my bar oil. So let's get it cranked up for the first time and see how it sounds. I read all through the owner's manual about I didn't see anything about a break-in period. I don't think it's a good idea to just take off and run this thing full blast and on a bunch of wood. But, I guess I'll take it easy for the first couple tanks of gas and try not to be too hard on it, just to kind of help it break in. I also need to tighten up the chain a little bit. It looks a little loose. I think I'll probably tear these things off of there. I hate that. That is easy to pull. Well, I said that. All right, well, I'm going to run it a little bit and check, make sure we got oil pumping to the chain. Oh, look how easy thing starts up. All right, the oiler's working pretty well. We got a line of oil right there. It's not throwing off a huge excess of oil, so I think it's set just about right. That's what I wanted. Well, so far so good. It does have a strange rattling sound when I crank it up. I don't know what that is. I guess I'll Google that tonight and see if I can figure it out. I'm just going to take it easy on the first couple tanks of gas like I'm doing. I don't know if that matters or not, but it can't hurt to err on the side of caution. Did I tell you all it's hot out here? I was just see if y'all could hear that that rattling noise. It definitely comes from this side of the chainsaw. Nobody told y'all this was actually a wet t-shirt contest?